In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a fax in Outlook. Okay, first step is to open up your Outlook application. And then once you've done that, sign into your account. From here, we need to go ahead and click on New Mail. So go ahead and click on New Mail. Now, before we start, many online services let you send a fax straight from your Outlook email without needing a fax machine. So some popular ones include eFax, MyFax, and Fax.plus. So we need to go ahead firstly and sign up for an online fax service. Now, once you've done that, come back to Outlook. Now, where it says to, we need to put in to. So put in the recipient's fax number followed by the service's domain. So this can be something like 12345678990. That's the fax number at efaxsend.com for this demonstration. Then from here, we can put in a subject and we can type your message in the body if you want this to appear as a cover page. Now, we can also attach the document you want to fax. This can be a PDF, docx, etc. Then once you've done that, go ahead and click on send, and that's going to send this as a fax.